Welcome to MetaQuest 3S. Here's what you'll find inside the box. Your MetaQuest 3S headset, MetaQuest Touch Plus controllers, glasses spacer, charging cable, power adapter, quick start guide, and safety and warranty guide. Here are the MetaQuest 3S headset buttons and inputs. Located on the bottom right of the headset, the action button makes it easy to switch between seeing your room and virtual surroundings. To charge your headset, use the charging cable and power adapter that came with your headset. You can find them inside the folio that is attached to the glasses spacer. If you're using a different power adapter, make sure it's rated 18 watts or higher, or you may see slower charging times. Your controllers come with new batteries installed. Power on your controllers by gently pulling the tab to remove the battery blocker from each controller. Securely attach your controllers to each wrist using the adjustable straps. Here's a breakdown of the Touch Plus controller button functions. Thumbsticks help you navigate in your virtual environment. The front trigger helps you select objects in your environment. The grip button on the side of the controller grabs objects or makes a fist when using your virtual hands. The MetaQuest button on the right touch controller brings up the universal menu. It's called the universal menu because you can open it anytime, from anywhere. You'll use the universal menu to browse apps and manage settings. You can also press and hold this button to recenter your headset view. You can press any button to wake the controllers after you turn on your headset.